Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Today I will be talking about Wet n Wild Megalast lip colors, both the shiny finish and the matte finish. So these lipsticks are only $2.99 and in my opinion they are true drugstore steals. I've tried on every single shade for you guys. If you're looking for swatches, there at the end of the video I put the timestamp below in the description box if you just want to jump straight to them. And I was really enjoying the high shine one because of the creamy texture and the beautiful flattering shades. If you're a little bit concerned or if you're a little shy to, let's say, wear a red lip, or you're just a little bit nervous about trying out something brighter, something, bolder, I would highly recommend this formula. It's not 100% opaque, but at the same time, it looks really flattering on the lips, especially if you're not a fan of a lip liner or if you're not very good at lining your lips or applying a dark lipstick, or if your lips are a little bit asymmetrical. I feel like this formula is much more forgiving than the matte finish. Usually I would go for this formula in the summer, in the spring summer, because it adds like a nice shine to the lips, and I don't know, it just adds a nice like a radiance too, especially if you're a little bit of tan, you have a nice highlighter on. I just feel like it goes well together. When it comes to the matte formula, oh my gosh, whenever fall, winter comes around, I'm all about matte lips. I love dark, dark matte lips, especially around like Halloween. So this formula really reminded me of MAC Retro Matte. So it's definitely long lasting, but it is a little bit on the drier side, if that makes sense. So there are matte lipsticks that I like that have more like a powdery finish, and they apply a little bit softer and easier on the lips. While if I'm looking for a lipstick that's going to last for a long time, I will definitely go towards more drier formulas because I know that they will not smudge easily and they will stay put for hours. So the matte collection reminded me a lot of that because it applies nice, but it is a bit drying. It felt a little bit drying on my lips, but at the same time I could definitely tell that it will last long and it will not move around. So if you're looking for more creamier texture with still matte finish, that's not the lipstick that you're going to go for. But if you're looking for a long-lasting matte finish, rich color, like 100% opaque, you will love this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the swatches. Let me know what you think, and see you guys around. Take care. Bye.